brain figure got his brain on it, don't nothing in the daylight. Do you know what the nigga really look like? I'm like, oh, don't you basic shit I don't allow. For everybody, but I'm who that motherfucker belong to. So get it right, bitch. I'm right, bitch. Ain't none of y'all hoes replace me. You probably be this nigga comrade.
Hi YouTube, it's me again, Bobo's daughter, aka Simone, and I'm back today with another tutorial. There's a new trend going around where people are getting basically photo lockets made of their loved ones, like photo pendants. And I seen Kash Dolls. I'm gonna post a picture of hers. It was really cute. She had got like a heart-shaped locket with her father's picture in it. And I don't know if anybody knows, but her father passed away. So it was like a nice way to, you know, commemorate her father. So I also was looking too, and I seen that Meek Mill has like a circular one for little Snupe. It's a new trend going around, and I was like, I want to try it. I want to test it out. I want to do something. I didn't see any videos on it, so I wanted to be the first one to do this video. And because my channel is, you know, mostly jewelry based, I thought it would be the perfect video to do. And I did one for my dad, and that's who this channel was named after. His name was Bobo. So right here I have the picture of my father. So if you want to see how I created this locket, stay tuned. See, and it's so quick, it's so easy. I think all the materials all together, it probably cost me like $10 to $15. So it's inexpensive too. It's cheap, it's quick, it's easy. I got you. So if you want to see how to get the look for less, look like you boiling, you shining on them, stay tuned. For this video, you are going to need a photo of your loved one, need a pen, a jump ring, jewelry pliers, but if you don't have those and you're trying to work with what you got, some tweezers, some E6000 glue, scissors. You will need some sort of chain to put your pendant on when it's done. To need this buckle that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's Soology rhinestone buckle, and it was $3.99. And Hobby Lobby has 40% coupons off of regular price items when you go on their website, so check that out. This is also by Hobby Lobby. It is a blank slate glass locket, and it was $6.99, and it's basically a glass locket. So half of the work is already done for us. We need a small bottle, like a travel size hairspray bottle, or for example, I have like this Mod Podge bottle because we need to trace the circle. If you don't have anything this small, something that you can use that I found that almost everyone has, is a keychain ring. So a keychain ring, we're gonna need that to trace the shape of the circle. Fingernail clipper or like a cuticle clipper, and I'll show you why. So let's get started. Open the buckle. And when we open it, we are basically gonna toenail clip this bar piece out. We're gonna take our toenail clipper, and we are just gonna snip at the base. Snip it. And once you got it open, you can just kind of pop the other end off, and it pops right off. Take our photo and our pen or our marker, and we are gonna take either our ring or our bottle, whatever we chose to trace out the shape. And we are gonna position it over the face in the picture. We are gonna center it and position it how we want. We are just gonna trace around. And the only reason I put this over is so that the ring doesn't slide. You are going to proceed to cut it out. So you're just gonna take it and cut it out. So once you have that, you are going to take the locket out of the case, well, out of the packaging, and you're going to open it up. And you are going to see if your picture fits. So put your picture in. Mine fits now, so just put your picture in. And you might want to do this from the front so you can see if it's centered. So do it from the front so you can see the picture as you're putting it in, that it's centered. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to take my pliers and use your tweezers if you have tweezers, and I'm going to open this jump ring and I'm going to loop my locket on. And I'm going to close it. And once you loop the locket on, you can take your necklace and you can take the necklace and thread it through. And the last finishing piece of this is we are going to, now that we have our necklace attached and everything, we can add the final razzle dazzle. Take your E6000 glue, flip your buckle over, and we are going to add glue. So you're going to add glue. So once you have enough glue on the back of your buckle, neatly but ever so surely place it on top of the locket, but you want to center it. And let it dry. So I'm just gonna put this candle on top of it to help it all gel together. And that is how you make your rhinestone locket. So I'm gonna come back to you guys and show you how it looks with it on. Okay, welcome back, guys. So that was the tutorial on how to make this necklace, and I'm also gonna insert like a video of it close up so you guys can really see the details and the shine and the sparkle and the shebang and all that. I just want to say thank you and shout outs to all my new subbies and subscribers. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. I also have a like page named Bobo's Daughter on Facebook if you're on Facebook. So make sure you comment, like, subscribe, share this video, and most importantly, try this out. I think that this is an easy and cute way for, you know, us to remember our loved ones and to always remember that even though your loved one may have passed on, that their energy is still here with us. And I'm sure that they are watching over and protecting you. Try this out. It's super easy. thumbs up this video if you can, if you're not gonna subscribe. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit the bell button so you get notifications when I post new videos, so you can stay in the link, because I have a lot of things planned for this channel. I'm gonna have more spirituality and advice videos, and also in 2019 I'm gonna host like some giveaways. So I'm gonna be giving away pairs of earrings, and I'm gonna be, you know, even making pieces and like letting y'all bid on them or putting them up for sale. Watching this video, and bye. I'll see y'all later.
My hero who always saved us. I can never give back everything you gave us. And to my dad, even though we was apart, I couldn't leave you out. You forever in my heart, yeah. And in the name of Evelyn Share, I forever forgive anybody that never was there for me. No other